5/24/2020 weekly chart, SHOP, one of our best bull market runs that we've had, and how great it's been. We went up 4 weeks. We're up here at the highs. We closed up toward the highs of 825. We bought that lower breakout over here, and SHOP has been in a wonderful uptrend. The problem with SHOP, though, here is the 825 put chart that I have right here. And I just would like to show everybody that these were $32 a contract. We have alarms set down here. These are deflated in price, meaning that when SHOP goes up a little bit higher, they get more deflated, but mathematically there's going to be a change. When you look at the $800 call chart, this is a deflated, and this is where we were buying these calls down here, and they were $7.50, and they went straight up here to $39. These are inflated in the money calls. They're $25 in the money call charts. 99% of option traders don't know how to use them, let alone do the math. And when they get inflated, well, there's nothing wrong with the stock SHOP, but let me just tell you right now, this thing is extremely overbought on a weekly, and SHOP will pull back with the broader market. And the reason why is because SHOP at this level is extremely in the overbought zone on the weekly and as well as the daily. So when we take a look at the inflated calls that have ran straight up that we bought on 5/19, and we're selling them at the highs up here. These are inflated prices, and they won't stay up here. It's a May 29th, $800 call on SHOP that's in the money. 99% of the people won't know when to sell. When you go back to the 825 put option chart, which was up here at 32.50, and the low on that was 23.75. When you're buying down here, these are extremely deflated, and the amount of risk is at its very lowest with an weekly overbought stock at the current level on SHOP, and it will have the pullback. So how do I make money trading the pullback? How do I apply an $825 put chart? If I look at the $820 call chart, this too is inflated. And this is where we buy them when they're out of the money. And this is where you get the 400, 500% gains. But these are going to come down, and they are inflated on the call side of the market. The 825 calls, which are up here, they were a great buy. You can see they're inflated. And you have a weekly overbought stock in SHOP. The lesson learned is to be a market maker and take advantage of directional price movements. And SHOP was the greatest breakout, $100 higher for us. And it got overbought. And the weekly low is right here, which will blow your mind. That was 713. And then we topped out and closed at 825 on the weekly overbought SHOP chart. And stocks get overbought. They have great bull runs. They get overbought. They have to come down. Weekly chart, SHOP, overbought. Applying the call charts, applying the put charts. One's inflated, one's deflated. How to be a market maker, applying the mathematics. Mathematics do not lie. Join the free 5-day trial. 702-685-0772.